Now, what is SAP Joule? SAP Joule is an enterprise grade generative AI copilot embedded directly across the SAP Cloud Enterprise portfolio. In simple words, just like you have Alexa and you have Copilot, you have Siri, in that way we have a personal assistant in SAP called SAP Joule. Now, it acts as a conversational digital assistant that understands natural language, allows users to interact with SAP business systems using plain text or voice commands to streamline daily processes and retrieve data insights instantly. So, unlike general purpose AI models, Joule uses document grounding through retrieval augmented generation, that is called RAG. I repeat, it's called retrieval augmented generation, and the SAP knowledge graph. This means it answers questions based specifically on company's own real-time structured data, internal business policies, and secure tenant level information. Now, the four core capabilities of SAP Joule happens to be the transactional capability, navigational capability, informational capability, and analytical capability. So let's have a basic understanding of what exactly are these capabilities all about. When I say SAP Joule's transactional capability, it has the ability to execute business operations directly. You can update records, create notifications, or resolve data entry issues by typing simple commands like we can say just update the position title to supply chain consultant. That's it. Yeah, it'll do it. The system will take care of it. Like you just give it a command, yeah, hey, do this, that's it. Yeah, it's going to happen. Now, navigational. So eliminating the need to search through complex software tabs, like open this screen, that screen, go into that particular option, click this. This is all like you have a lot of navigation in SAP. Now, the users can just simply tell Joule what they need to do, and it opens the exact application or the page that is required. For example, like where can I upload a supplier invoice? Okay, and what are the different purchase orders that I have created last week? So it's as simple as that, and the system will give you the list of all the purchase orders or list of all the supplier invoices. Now, informational. SAP Joule searches company knowledge bases and SAP documentation. Let's say you have a very important information or a documentation that you would like to search in the SAP's official documentation. It's going to take a lot of time. You have to search, millions of pages. But then these are already fed into the Joule. So it provides clear text summaries with direct links to the relevant reference manuals or company policies. So we have got the analytical power as well for the SAP Joule, which happens to have acquiring business data to uncover metrics. Powered by SAP Analytics Cloud, Joule generates instant summaries, metrics, and visual charts from live data. Now, for example, like what was our quarterly attrition rate? So you're going to get the details of it. Now, how SAP Joule is used across the core business functions. In human resources, we can use it in talent development, self-service tasks. In finance and spend management, we can have it into autonomous financial closure or expenses and accounts receivable. So these are the few examples that I'm sharing with you, which can actually have a use of Joule. The SAP Joule is going to make your life easy in working in the SAP world, but that cannot replace any human being. That's for sure. Okay. And this is it for the basic introduction of SAP Joule. So now SAP Joule, as I said I repeat once again, SAP Joule is a generative AI copilot embedded across SAP solutions. It understands your business context, works with your data securely, and helps you act with confidence and naturally. So they have a lot of advantages of going ahead and using the SAP Joule. Now we're going to learn in detail about how do we build up applications on top of it, and how and what areas we have SAP Joule. No matter in which module you are already working on, or you would like to get a job on, you have to make sure you know SAP Joule, because this happens to be extremely important concept for every one of us. But the way we have to learn and the options that we have will be different for different people. So I'm going to discuss those things, and if you really are interested to learn SAP Joule for a specific module, for example, if you're from SAP finance background, you have a different set of tools and processes that you have to understand in SAP Joule. Similarly, if you are from the ABAP background, you will have a different set of contents that you have to be learning. So do contact us for detailed explanation about it, and for the live sessions that if you like to attend, you can contact us. Thank you. Have a great day, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.